Josh from MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. We're going to take another look at our boat today. This is a brand new 24 Vantage by Boston Whaler, also known as their dual console boat. Starting here in the transom, you do see that it has a 300 Mercury Verado engine, great motor in the white, looks awesome with the combination of colors we have on this boat. Moving forward, through the starboard side, you do have your nice walkthrough, and you have a conveniently placed freshwater washdown, so if you're coming off the water and you need to rinse off, great spot for that, easy access. In addition, you do have a battery charger right here. Nice option on this boat, keeps your battery nice and topped off when you're not on it. If you have a lot of people and you need more seating, you have a fold-away chair, which will fold out and give you a couple extra seats to add to the other seats as we move forward. Or if you want to be fishing and need the cockpit access, this chair folds away and you have all this room back here for fishing. You also have two rod holders back here. You have your live well in the rear of the port side, and you have additional rod holders on the hardtop. As we look at the hardtop, you can see how well this boat is built. This hardtop is very solid, no shake to it, still tubing, really solid boat. It is a Boston Whaler, and that's what they're known for. They're also known for their innovation, and you can see that in this chair right here, which has multiple positions. All the way down makes a nice little sun pad where you could face rear with this as your backrest, or if you're underway and you wanted to lift it up, you have seating facing forward and another chair back there. Continuing along on this side, we do have a head. This is a 24-foot boat, so it is a nice size head. Plenty of room in there to stow stuff away for the day, or if you need any other room for the day on the water, perfect place to put stuff right there. To the helm side, you do have a captain's chair that swivels, multi-function Simrad display screen, JL audio, Mercury vessel view, toggle switches for all your main functions, as well as an onboard VHF. And this boat does have a center compass. Moving forward into the bow, you have additional storage under the helm's console right here. This will lift up and there's a lot of storage. You'd be surprised about how much storage is there. You will see that this bow is very deep, so it's a very safe boat. While underway, you got handles to either side. Very comfortable. And then also, this boat does have a windlass. With your windlass, you have the forward controls right here. And you also have another wash down here, so if you need to rinse your anchor off, everything's easy. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in our inventory here in Huntington, please give us a call. Our team will be happy to assist you. My name is Josh, and thank you for joining us today.